What's up, guys? In this video I am going to show you how I take apart or deconstruct this whole chicken, because as a busy mama I do like to save wherever I can, and I buy 3 whole chickens at Costco and I just cut them up myself. Now, don't those breasts look like a heart? I thought so anyway. Now, you can use a knife if you'd like to do this process, but I prefer kitchen shears. They're very easy to use, nice and sharp, and they get the job done just as well. Some people may tell you that there is a particular way to cut a whole chicken. I find the best way is just as long as you are getting all of these pieces off of this one individual chicken, then you are doing the right thing. What I do is I cut the back or spine off of the chicken first, and I do not toss this in the garbage. This is going to be used to create a stock, for a chicken stock that I can use, and I'll freeze it and I'll pull it from the freezer as needed. Sometimes throwing it in your rice or whatever you need to do, but I'll show you that in another video. Now that the back has been completely cut off, I just keep a bowl to the side and I put all the scraps that I'm going to be using for stock in that bowl.
What is it?
And here I'm just removing any of the organs like kidney and lung that are left over inside, heart left over inside of the chicken, and we also will be using those. We do not throw away any parts of the chicken. Everything has a purpose and a use in the kitchen. And here I am cutting and splitting the 2 breasts in half. And once that's done, you will have 2 halves of a chicken left over. Sometimes I do freeze it full like this because I just have a family of 4. So cooking a half chicken is suitable for us, but sometimes I cook a whole chicken so that we can use those leftovers into the next day. You do not have to be a professional to create something beautiful. Until next time, guys. Catch you in the next video.